had to bring my art generation doll. So obviously I also had to pack for her. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to be doing her carry-on, packing her carry-on. So we're going to put in this backpack. So first of all is her book, so that she can read in the plane. And then she has her laptop, phone, and this is the most important thing. She needs her boarding pass and also her passport. I'm gonna put that in the front pocket. Then she has her camera so that she can take really cool pictures. And lastly we have her water bottle. I really like this backpack because it's like really big, and so that I can just like fit more stuff in it. Oh, and also she has this pillow, and she might wear it on the way there. So it's really cute. It's a cat. So I'm gonna put that on top of there. Now I'm going to put. Now it's toiletries. So I'm going to try to put all the toiletries in this small bag, so that I can also put it. Okay, so 2 bags done. And then we have her shoes. These shoes. I think I need to get another bag for this. Okay. So we have. We're going to put it all in this bag. Sorry, my app is vacuuming. So firstly, her shoes, her first pair of shoes are these like cute crops, and they're like this, and then they're like hearts here, and then they're even like hearts at the. And then last pair of shoes, which is our like second pair of shoes, is these sandals. Next one. So we're going to put it in this big bag. In this, well, not big bag. So we're going to put all her pajamas. And here's her pajamas. I can even like fit some stuff over here. So now pajamas. So we're going to put it in this luggage. Has all the stickers on it. So before we do the pajamas, which is what we last, we need beach gear. So when we're in the beach, we need a lot of beach gear. We have these. We don't need to bring towels, but unfortunately they don't have her size towels. So she has this like this towel that's like has like little designs on it, and we have this purple towel that's like has a bow on it. So I think it's a little smaller. So yeah, we also have these sunglasses. So I see. And then we have this whatever it's called. Whatever it's called, like it's like what you use after you're done swimming, like when you're all dried off. We have this swimsuit. It's like how do you say this? It's like a one piece, and it's like it has like it's really cute and it's really beachy. So it has these like ruffles here, and then it's like has like a whole lot of gels. Then lastly we have this swimsuit, and it's also one piece. I really like it.
Soon after.
That's actually not too bad. So we have that done. And this can just roll it. Okay, now I have no bags left. It's pretty big, but yeah. And then I think I have to struggle this. I have to take out all of these shoes. For now, I'm still gonna put them in. So I'm gonna make it share with these pajamas. So here.
Hello, lady.
The disguise is working, Patrick. Patricia.
Okay. So thank you for watching my video. Comment down where I'm going to be making